Hello family, and welcome to Discover Flavor. Today we'll be preparing sausage and peppers smothered in gravy over jasmine rice. This is my quick 10-minute dinner. I hope y'all enjoy, man. This is something that we grew up on, so here you go. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. So now we'll cut up our peppers. We have green and red peppers today because I love the color it adds to the dish. Listen, this sausage and pepper recipe is so quick and easy and super delicious. This will only take about 10 minutes to make and will feed an army if you needed to. We used to go to a restaurant named Max back when I lived in Virginia, and they had a dish similar called hot smoke. This is my take on it because everyone loved the recipe, but unfortunately, the restaurant closed. So we're gonna go ahead and chop these green peppers up, kind of keep them uniform. Okay, I'm not a trained chef, so but this is called julienne. We're gonna julienne the peppers. Let's throw those in a bowl, and we're gonna cut the red peppers up. Look how beautiful in color that is. So we're gonna keep it consistent with the chop. You can cut off the excess, Let's throw those in the bowl. Finish up here, and then we'll chop up the onions. All right, now let's chop the onion. Try to keep the same cut. All right, try to keep it uniform. I like to cut a slit in the side and then just peel off that initial layer. Makes it so much easier. Chop it down the middle. Think about it. All right, let's chop. And we do this so that the veggies cook evenly. All right, so if we keep the consistency here, okay, they'll be uniform and they cook super easy and they cook evenly. That's the point. I'm using 2 packs of Hillshire Farms beef smoked sausage. These are all beef and nothing but beef. So if you have food allergies or don't eat pork or chicken, here you go. All right, we're gonna cut them in a consistent chop as well. At a diagonal. Chop them up nice and evenly. And I'm using 2 packs, man. We prep a little bit, so we have a lot of leftovers, as you'll see at the end of the pan. More to go. Don't get away from me. Now add an olive oil to the pan. Let's get it hot. Got them on medium-high heat. Go ahead and heat it up. And with olive oil, you can tell when it gets hot. If it starts to smoke, all right, that's the time to go ahead and add your ingredients. Anything after that, you're gonna burn it. So it doesn't have a high smoke point. Alright, so we're gonna add the peppers. I'm giving y'all a different angle so the steam doesn't blow in your face. Giving y'all a different angle from the steam. Add your peppers and your sausage. Let's let that cook down. And we'll go ahead and work on the gravy. Now I use two gravy packs with 2 cups of water to keep it simple and quick. Let's get that thickened over medium-high heat, whisking so it doesn't stick. It's gonna turn nice and silky. You don't want it to stick. You need all that delicious gravy now. It's coming together nicely. Look at the color change. Let's cut it down a little bit. There we go. Now we're gonna add that gravy right into the pan. And we're gonna let this simmer. Let's mix it down a little bit. Let it simmer so all those flavors just come together. Go and get the rest of that gravy out of there. No gravy left behind, y'all. Gonna season it. Salt, pepper, garlic salt. Go ahead and give it a nice mix. It's coming together. I'm telling you, this is so quick, easy, and delicious to make, y'all. You definitely want to give this a try. Hit it with that fresh ground black pepper. Almost ready to plate. Now we prepared the jasmine rice in the Instant Pot, and now it's time to plate. Man, look at how silky that gravy is. Look at how delicious that looks. And that's a big plate. How much is left? I made a bowl and a ton is left. This meal will stretch, especially if we have to be in the home for a few weeks. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Drop me a comment. Hit the bell for notifications. And enjoy.